It's very difficult to succeed in a job we haven't dreamed of. That's what I realized during this process. Demirbas Machine actually started with my father, Mustafa Demirbas's dream of setting up a workshop after his retirement. In the workshop we established together, the first jobs we did were actually a bit different from the work we do now. Although our company provided service, maintenance, and new machine manufacturing for many factories in the field, these could be different machines for different sectors. In fact, we weren't really specialized in one area. Later on, following a request to our company, a friend of ours told the owner of a newly opened luxury delicatessen in the center of Afyon that we could manufacture a Tahini machine. So we went to meet with this business owner, our client, and saw that the store concept was truly very luxurious. And we knew that the Tahini machines currently in use, which have grinding stones, produce a lot of steam and oil vapor, so we thought they wouldn't be very suitable for our client's store. Instead of making a sale, we explained this to our client. We said, this Tahini machine isn't really suitable for your store. We could have sold you the machine today, but in 6 months, the ceiling of your store could have been stained yellow with oil residue. Our client responded very positively to what we explained, and we exchanged ideas about how we could make this product smaller. He asked us if it was possible to make a product suitable for smaller stores, and that question got us thinking. We said we need to try this out. Even though it was quite different from our current Tahini machines, we made a product similar to a more basic Tahini machine and delivered it to our customer. It was designed to fit both the store and its decor. Our customer was very satisfied, and we honestly had no hope that this would continue. Another delicatessen owner who had come from Gaziantep to Afyon Karahisar for a visit stopped by this delicatessen, saw the amateur machine we had made, got our contact information, and reached out to us. As a result, we ended up selling our second machine to Gaziantep. We saw that demand kept coming, 3, 5, 6 machines. So we decided to develop this product, and to create a Tahini machine closer to its current concept, we went through many sleepless nights. There were times when we had to do R&D among mechanical parts until 1, 2, even 3 in the morning. There were many R&D attempts where we failed. But in the end, we succeeded. But I think to achieve success, there needs to be something in the work we do. If we don't dream about the work we're obsessed with, if we don't see it in our sleep at night, it's very hard to succeed at it. That's what I realized during this process. In other words, we need to focus very well so that we can find out where the real mistake is. Of course, we got through this process. As Demirbas Machine, we completed our R&D. We developed the world's smallest, trouble-free, user-friendly, store-type Tahini machine for production. Of course, in addition to our Tahini machine, we have reached the point where we produce all kinds of boutique manufacturing machines you see in stores and markets, such as nut butter machines and cold press oil machines. And Demirbas Machine manufactures with its own equipment and experienced staff in its own factory. Stainless steel sheets, electric motors, and electrical components enter our factory. They come out as completely finished, packaged products. The products manufactured in our factory are actively used in more than 3,000 locations across 55 countries worldwide. As Demirbas Machine gains new customers every day, it continues to grow stronger.